Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a video in Canva using AI by generating it through a text prompt. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank video editing screen, and what I want to do now is go into elements in this sidebar. Once I'm under elements, you'll see this AI image generator, and you just want to click on that. Click on that plus to generate your own, and from there you'll see these three tabs at the top. You'll excuse me for not setting this to English, but the furthermost to the right is videos or video recordings. You just click on that, enter a sort of prompt. Let's say blue cartoon duck swimming in a pond, and let's say that I want that prompt to be it. This is still in beta, by the way, so this won't be perfect, but just enter more than 5 words and it should be able to actually generate something. Then you click generate video and wait for it to generate, and then it'll give you some suggestions. I'm pretty sure it's 4 suggestions of what you can then add to your screen. To actually add them, what you need to do is just click on the one you want and it'll be added right here. Now, as you can see, it is a bit slow by virtue of this being, well, AI, so it needs to process it, and it's experimental as well, so it does need to cover a lot of bases. And once that's done, I'll just show you how you can add that video to your screen. Just let it finish in a second or two. And yeah, as you can see, it can be, sort of slow. It could take, 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity. It can take even more. And yeah, that is pretty much what this looks like at the moment. It might become faster in the future. It might be, more, let's say, efficient, effective. It might produce better results since it is still in beta, and because of that, there might be some glitches currently going on. But let's see what the videos look like when they actually generate. And as you can see, it's taking a bit of a longer time than I expected. This here sort of little piece is, taking a long time for some reason. But yeah, I won't bore you guys anymore since this doesn't want to generate at all. It doesn't want to end. It will in a second or two, but I don't want to waste your guys' time. It's pretty simple, similar to generating pictures, which I did create a tutorial on, so you can just check that out yourself if you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.